Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the time badge in Piggy. First, you need to select the plant map from the game lobby. Make sure you are playing in player mode, not bot mode, to ensure you can control your character effectively. It's also helpful to have a full team of 6 players for smoother progression through the map's objectives. Once you've started on the plant map, your initial goal is to find the green key. This key will unlock a specific door, allowing you to access new areas. Next, search for the red key, which opens another crucial door. After gaining access to these areas, keep an eye out for the wrench. It's essential for a later step in obtaining the badge. With the wrench in hand, proceed to the area where the broken machine is located. Use the wrench to repair it, which is a straightforward interaction. Once the machine is fixed, you'll need to interact with it again to activate its sequence. Pay close attention to any visual or auditory cues, as successful activation is key to progressing towards the badge. After successfully activating the machine and completing its sequence, you are very close to earning the time badge. Double-check that you have performed all previous steps correctly, as the badge is awarded upon the final successful action. Congratulations! You will then receive the time badge, adding it to your collection of achievements within Piggy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.